What are these shapes? How are they made? How do they fit together?
I'm Miguel de Aguero, coming to you from Sullivan, Missouri. I'm an abstract artist. I specialize in geometric patterns and the symmetries that come with them. In my work, I use all types of polygons. Some are well known, some I discover by simply playing around. Today, I'd like to talk to you about a set of shapes that I came up with a few years ago. But first, a brief review of some categories of polygons that people have been using throughout history.
Here are some examples of common polygons. I'm grouping them based on their constraints, which are ground rules for what is or is not in a certain class. Let's start with regular convex polygons. In this case, regular means all sides and all angles are equal. This is the most restrictive category. Next come the equilateral convex polygons. All sides are equal, but angles can be different. Then the equiangular convex polygons. All angles are equal, but sides can be different. Here we have a variety of non-convex polygons. Concave sides are allowed. Stars fit into this category.
I love math, but I'm not a mathematician. I'm an artist. So I get into the technical aspects of geometry only as far as it takes me to find the beauty of a thing. When the math starts to turn into work, I back out and leave the rest to the professionals. Instead, I have fun with the playful part of exploration and focus on the aesthetic qualities of a subject. Many artists use the setting of the square grid as a creative tool. I treat this as a sandbox where I can freely experiment. A few years ago, I stumbled on what I call the knight shape, which is inspired by the move of a knight in chess. Here are my list of constraints that define the knight shape. Think of these as the rules of this particular game.
The shape is contained within a unit square grid, like an infinite chessboard. Unlike chess moves, all vertices lie on grid intersections. This is more efficient to work with than focusing on the center of each square. Each side of the polygon is the diagonal of a 2x1 rectangle, a knight's move. Each shape is closed, so the circuit ends at the starting point. No side intersects another side, so no crossing of the perimeter. The shape can be convex or concave. No side can line up with its adjacent side, so multiple length sides are not allowed.
Where did these rules come from? I made them up by trial and error, and I chose them based on what I think is interesting. So if you want to change them, go for it. If you'd like to experiment with these shapes, I have a tip. I started drawing these shapes on graph paper, which is fine, but if you want freedom and efficiency in composing arrangements, I recommend a vector graphics program on a desktop, like Adobe Illustrator or Inkscape, which is what I'm using here.
That's it for this video. Next time I'll explore the simplest night shapes that can be used as building blocks to assemble into compound shapes. See you then, and take care.